Hey guys, welcome. It's your boy Chef André Davy, and I'm so excited. It will be my first time to try boiled duck egg. So, in a pot of boiling water, I'll be adding two duck egg. And as you can see, guys, these eggs are a lot more larger than chicken eggs. So, I will allow this to cook for 9 minutes. Yeah, that means two less duck to swim because I will be eating them. So guys, as you could see that I covered the pan also, yeah. So after 9 minutes I could actually hear the relatives of the duck crying because it's now time for me to pick this egg. This egg is a lot more tougher than a chicken egg, guys. It take a lot more effort to break the egg, to pick the egg. I wonder if it's gonna take a lot more effort to eat this egg. This egg is so heavy, guys. My goodness. Wonder if I can manage both of them. That's amazing. Yeah. You see, guys, it's even though it's hard to pick, it come off very nice. Yeah, man. Nicely done, Chef André. Nicely done. I think it would have been a bit more harder to remove the shell, but it's easy, guys. This smells just like a regular egg, guys. Yeah, just like a regular hen egg. Yeah. See how big they are, guys? So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. Oh, you liking my table, guys? My banana leaf. Wow. This color is beautiful, guys. So I'm just gonna season and I'll be using salt. Ah, lovely. Salt, 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 salt. Yes. And I'll be adding in some hot pepper sauce. Put more. Some more. Put some more. Put some. Okay, guys. That is it. It's time for me to taste this, guys. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Okay. This is delicious, guys. It's more. It have a more like a rich egg taste. It's much richer than a regular egg, guys. You know, it's giving you a full flavor. You can almost call it like a cheese, some sort of cheese flavor. Like
Chef,
this
cheese?
egg is super rich, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry for these ducks because you won't be seeing any swimming around, guys. Oh my god. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and this duck egg is amazing.